Nestled in the heart of Otter Tail County, Minnesota, lies the tranquil town of Battle Lake, known for its rich history and natural beauty. This town is now embarking on a journey of creative transformation, bringing innovative development to its serene landscape. Founded in the late 19th century, Battle Lake is a storied past. Named after a skirmish between the Ojibwe and Sioux tribes, its history is deeply woven into the landscape. Surrounded by natural splendor, Battle Lake's proximity to Glendalough State Park offers a pristine environment where nature meets innovation. The state park is a focal point of the town's creative development, emphasizing sustainability and eco-friendly tourism. Downtown Battle Lake is experiencing a renaissance. New businesses, art galleries, and creative workspaces are breathing new life into historic buildings and fostering a vibrant community. It's also known as a foodie town with many more restaurants per capita than you'd expect. Creative festivals and events are now a cornerstone of Battle Lake's community life. These gatherings celebrate local artists, innovators, and the town's commitment to fostering a creative environment. The new creative spaces glow with life and energy, embodying the spirit of innovation and community that defines the town's transformation. Battle Lake, Minnesota, still a hidden gem, now shining brighter with its creative developments. Come for the beauty, stay for the innovation, and leave inspired by a community that seamlessly blends tradition and creativity.